Hello, trading is closed on April 3rd, 2018. Yesterday I said I had mixed signals. I went over the commonest occurrences, but said my gut feeling was as long as this low held, we should see higher prices, which we did. Tomorrow's patterns is one with the early high. Tends to rally all day and close near the high most of the time, but when it is bad, it is horrid. Today we've closed right at resistance, as we'll see, and unless we take this out quickly, ideally by gapping over it, tomorrow has the potential to be a horrid day. Well, here were the MEJT signals. Here it gave a buy, which worked. Said lower price it would print as well. That worked. Again, MEJT gives targets. It doesn't really give entries and exits per se. Well, here's your buy signal from DeMark. If it's gonna mean something, you want to take out the TDST lines pretty quickly. I don't see that happening yet. This is the minimum, but ideally you want to take out this one pretty quickly. We don't have volume. And more importantly, here's the TDST line which marked the top. It's been tested a number of times, and the more times you test it, the more likely it is to break down. When these things fail, they fail in grand style. Now, it is impressive that we respected this median of the Andrews pitchfork, but you're still in a down pitchfork. And once this breaks, you can go to the other side of the pitchfork pretty quickly. And it doesn't really help matters that breadth deteriorated yesterday and didn't recover at all today. It's a sign the recovery is false. This and the poor volume are signs the recovery is false. There are too many ways to count this wave to be certain it's right. This could be the end of blue 1. Looks a bit short for blue 2. There's no rule against it. All you've done is corrected the Fibonacci percentage of the last drop. But it's also possible that this wave black 5 isn't over. Take wave 3, you'll see that wave 1 is a nice Fibonacci relationship, and if wave 5 has a Fibonacci relationship as well, and this is 1 of 5 and that's 2 of 5, we could be around 2,500 pretty quickly. This high is a Fibonacci target of the prior consolidation. We rallied a day and a half, corrected the Fibonacci percentage of this big drop, haven't cleared any of these highs. If we're to go higher from here, we need to take these highs out quickly, ideally by gapping over them. If we gap over them and continue higher, we've overcome resistance. But any long position here is a counter trend position, and if this holds, it doesn't have to hold, but if it holds, and if we start dropping like a stone, the stone could take us down 100 handles pretty quickly. And that's today's call.